Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, our dearest viewers, depending on the time you're watching us from. So today's video is going to be very brief. That's because I felt the urge to celebrate and this first time in history kind of event that took place in Abakaliki yesterday. Ebonyi State is making history, and we have our dynamic governor, His Excellency Right Honorable Francis Ogbonna Nwifuru, to thank for that. In a bold and progressive move, Governor Nwifuru initiated the first ever Ebonyi International Half Marathon in 2024, and this marathon took place yesterday morning. It's truly surprising that this is the very first marathon of its kind in Ebonyi State. And what's even more exciting is that the event is set to become an annual tradition. This signals a new chapter in sporting activities for Ebonyi, and athletes across the state better start getting their running shoes ready for next year. Ebonyi State is not playing. During the yesterday historic event, the Ebonyi International Half Marathon kicked off at exactly 8 a.m. from Isheke Junction in Abakaliki, covering a distance of 21.09 kilometers. The race followed an impressive route that stretched through Old Ogoja Road, Vanco, Rice Mill, Onu and finally ended at the Ebonyi Shopping Mall. In the light of this event, the state government, through the Commissioner for Youth and Sports Development, Honorable Richard Idike, announced a restriction of vehicle movements in parts of Abakaliki to ensure the safety of both athletes and officials. The restriction started at midnight on Friday, September 13th, and lasted until midday on Saturday, which was yesterday, September 14th. This initiative, driven by Governor Nwifuru, is a reassurance of the state's commitment to sports development. It aims to not only promote physical fitness, but also improve the psychological and mental well-being of Ebonyi residents. By hosting such an event, Ebonyi State is joining the ranks of regions that prioritize healthy living, yes, while also shining on the global stage. Many thanks to our pragmatic governor for implementing policies that continue to place Ebonyi State in the spotlight. The marathon was a success, and congratulations are in order for all the participants who took part in the challenging yet rewarding race. The atmosphere was electric, honestly, and this is only the beginning. Next year's race promises to be even bigger and better. Well, like I said, it's going to be a very short video today. I just thought it wise to bring this to your viewing pleasures. Okay, for all your event coverage needs, whether it's weddings, burials, anniversaries, festivals, meetings, or any other occasion, we've got you covered. Here at Ebony People TV, we also offer equipment rentals, and our team is ever available for jobs both within and outside Ebony State. Just reach us through the number now showing on your screens. Thank you so much for your continued support. And as a way to show our appreciation, we want to celebrate you, our incredible viewers. If you have a birthday coming up, we'd love to give you a special birthday shout out. Just send a DM with your photo to the number on your screen as well. 2 days before your big day. We can't wait to celebrate with you. See you in our next video. Bye bye.